Hi VamVam sponsors, my name is Kyle and I'm a new creator living here in awesome Miami, Florida. And I'm a big foodie. I love foods, all kinds. I make fun, cool, big, lush vlogs about the city, its people, culture, nightlife, and of course the amazing cuisine here in Miami. I would rate my content as PG-13 for the most part, and my production schedule with school allows me to create content at least 2 to 3 times per week. Currently, I'm on Facebook, TikTok, and Kuklu, and Instagram, and I have about 30,000 followers and subscribers worldwide combined, and that number is growing every single day. So, if you've got a cool short promo that you think may fit well spliced into my type of content for only $45, I would love your sponsorship on one of my upcoming videos. Check my extras, and I can add your links in the comment section. And this offer is for exclusive sponsorship, meaning that your pre-roll promo is the only one I'm going to insert. Oh, and I'll accept all sponsorships. So go ahead and hit that sponsor button. You know you want to. All kidding aside, thank you for previewing, and I really look forward to working with you.